Attract women without saying anything first. Guys often stress out trying to find the perfect opening line to say to a woman. But if you know how to attract women without talking, then all of that pressure to figure out what to say just disappears. It becomes much easier to relax and start a conversation with a woman because you already know the woman is interested. So if you'd like to take the pressure off of meeting women and learn how to attract women without talking, then listen to the attraction tips in this video. Attract women with eye contact. The most important part of attracting women without talking is making quality eye contact. When you make eye contact with a woman, hold your gaze and give her a warm smile. Holding eye contact shows women confidence. Smiling shows her that you're a warm, friendly guy. Maintaining that warm, confident eye contact with women can be difficult if you're nervous. To ease that anxiety, there are two things you can do. First, when making eye contact with a woman, breathe deep into your belly as this will help you relax. Second, make your eye contact warm and inviting by smiling with your eyes. You know that feeling you get in your eyes after you laugh really hard? When your gaze is warm, relaxed, and open? This is the same feeling that you want when looking to attract women with eye contact. Get women to notice you through social proof. A great way to stand out and get women to notice you is through social proof. Surrounding yourself with women, especially attractive women, proves that you are the type of man that women want to be around. Other women will wonder what it is that makes these women so comfortable with you. It'll automatically get women curious about you, interested in you, and maybe even a little jealous that they're not included. Nonverbal banter with women. Banter is a great way to start a conversation with a woman, but there's more to banter than just using wit and snappy lines. There's also nonverbal ways to banter with women that will get women interested in you. For example, if you've made eye contact with a woman and want to get things rolling with a little banter, a great thing to do is to simply make funny faces at her. Have some fun and play. Stick your tongue out. Cross your eyes. Make whatever silly little face that you like. It's a great way to get a woman to smile, and from there it will be easy to approach the woman and start a conversation with her. Attract women with your appearance. If you want women to notice you, take the time to dress well. Women always notice how a man is dressed, and it always makes a major impact. Attracting women with your appearance doesn't require expensive clothing. All you really need to do is show women that you are a guy that has his life together. Leave the sweatpants and flip-flops at home and attract women by going out in clean, wrinkle-free clothes that fit well. A pair of sharp-looking shoes, trimmed fingernails, and well-managed hair will go a long way in getting women to notice you in a positive way. Attractive body language. Women can tell a lot about you by your body language alone. If you want to show confidence that will get women attracted to you, then you want to make sure your body language is on point. To show confident body language that attracts women, be sure to stand tall as if there is a string from the base of your spine pulling you up to the crown of your head. Keep your shoulders back and relaxed, your head up and smile. You can either show confidence by avoiding excessive movements and fidgeting. When you walk, walk with a purpose and direction. Having control over your body language helps you come across as the powerful, confident man women want. Get women to notice you by making friends. Thus far, this video has been about how to attract women without talking at all. But sometimes getting women to notice you requires a little bit of effort. Sitting around and waiting for women to notice you just isn't as effective as getting up and making yourself noticeable. How can you make women notice you? By being the social, friendly guy who gets along with everyone. When you go out, talk with everyone around you. Guys, girls, staff members, everyone. Women will notice you getting along with everyone, and they'll be interested in meeting you. Plus, acting this way shows women you're confident, friendly, and able to handle yourself in social situations. All traits women find attractive in men. Making women chase you can be shockingly easy. All you have to do is go out, and no matter what you're doing or who you're doing it with, focus on having a damn good time. Keep a smile on your face, have fun, and enjoy yourself. It will get women to notice you and excited to join in on the fun. Thanks for watching this Evolution of Dating presentation. As a gift for taking action to be an irresistible man, I want to give you a free copy of my guide, 5 Secret Psychological Tricks to Attracting Beautiful Women. It shows you how women think and what makes them attracted to men. Click the link in the description below of this video to watch the next video that shows you how to get this free guide. Or Just click the image on the right side of this screen to be taken directly to the video that shows you how to access my free guide. If you enjoyed this video to help you attract hot women, subscribe to this channel to join the Evolution of Dating community. I'm Isaac Wilson, and I'll see you in the next video.